What's up, family? How you guys doing today? Today we'll be doing an unboxing of a dash cam, a C450 by Apeman. Reason why I got this was at a decent price with decent reviews. So some of the features that this camera has is motion detection, loop recording, a wide dynamic range, and G sensors. And as we can see, it records in full 1080p. It has a 170-degree wide angle, so you will see basically everything that's coming down the street at you. It has a pretty good lens on it and a 3-inch display. So let's get to the unboxing portion. As you can see here, we don't need a knife. There is no tape. So let's open it up. Alright, well, we are greeted with a nice hello card. And inside the hello card is a thank you note with their contact information. We're followed by the user manual. And it is in several languages and very detailed. We have it in English, Dutch, French, Italian, Spanish, and Japanese. Alright, now to the main thing. Let's take it out. Let's see what else we got here. Let's flip it upside down. Take this out. Take this out. And we have a whole bunch of goodies. So, first thing here we have is the window mount for the camera. We have a very long cable with a power adapter. We have a trim tool. So we have here what looks like a SIM port eject, but it's more than likely for the SD card. Alright, now to the main show. We have we have the camera. So small. So on the camera, we have on one side the micro SD card with up and down and enter buttons on one side. On the other side, we have an OK button, a memory button, power button, and a lock button. We have on another side a micro HDMI port, the micro USB port, and the mount point we have here on one side. So on the front we have the lens. We have a looks like a flash and a microphone, and this is the display. And take off the front cover as well. Alright, now that we have it unboxed, let's put it in the car and test the quality of the camera. First, we need to find our mounting kit, and then we'll get our dash cam, connect them together, and then install it in the window. This will give us the best look. And this is how it looks installed. As we can see, the quality of the camera is pretty good. We can see well during the day and well during the night. For any more questions, suggestions, please drop a comment in the comment box. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for future videos. Have a wonderful day.